Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard error VAN 185. First, let's tackle the simplest solutions. Begin by fully restarting your game client and the Riot client. This often resolves temporary glitches. Also, confirm you are not logged into the game on any other computer or device, as this can trigger the error. Finally, perform a quick check of your internet connection to rule out any basic connectivity problems. Next, we need to ensure Vanguard's anti-cheat service is running correctly. Open your Windows Services application. Scroll down to find the VGC service. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and change its startup type to Automatic. Then, make sure to click Start if the service is not already active. Apply these changes and then restart your computer for them to take full effect. If the issue persists, let's refresh your network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushtons to clear your DNS cache. Then, use netwinsock reset and netint IP reset to reset network adapters. After these commands, restart your computer. Additionally, temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus might help identify if they are blocking Vanguard. As a final troubleshooting step, you might need to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Go to Add or Remove Programs, uninstall Vanguard, and then restart your computer. Launching the game will prompt a fresh installation. If the error still occurs, a complete reinstallation of the game itself may be necessary. If all else fails, gather your system information and contact Riot Games support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.